Welcome to this tutorial, and here I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube. First, you log into your YouTube using your Google account. This is my Google account and this is my channel. There is more than one way to do this. One, by just clicking here, this sign here, and say upload a video. That will upload a video directly to your channel. If you want the video you have in your account, you can go to your channel, and here it will show the videos that you have, the playlists, and so on. It's the same thing. You can go upload through the YouTube studio, or you can also upload here, upload a video. Will be shown this screen, and basically you go to your video that you want to upload. This is the video I wanted to upload. So just drag and drop. Alternatively, you can click select file and it will open dialog box for you where you can choose your file. So there is more than one way to do this. I usually drag and drop. It takes very little. While uploading, you can change the title here, the title of the video. Here you have description of the video. You can see there is a 5,000 letters you can have here, or characters. So this is the description, what the video is all about. And once you do that, you can go down here. You can also upload a thumbnail. For this to be working, you have to have a verified account. So I can put any relevant. I usually do a screenshot that's appropriate, like the title of the presentation or the title of the slide. That will be usually my thumbnail. It will be easier for people to know what's in there. So these are different thumbnails. This is one for this lecture, for example. That's it. Otherwise, YouTube will give you here more than one thumbnail from the video itself. Here you can add it to a playlist. You can create a new playlist if you wish. Here I distributed, this is for example fruit production course, this is tutorials, and so all are there. You make sure that you check no, it's not made for kids, otherwise most of the services will be disabled. Okay, so it's better to have it no, it's not made for kids. Just a quick note there. You don't need to worry about this. It will be always better, good practice to have tags. For example, you say fruits and a comma, and then banana, comma. So those who search for your video later on will find it if it is open to the public. Here you can choose the language you want. It's better also good practice to specify what language you are using. For example, this is going to be English. So I keep that as English. I don't have, if you have caption file, you can add it. Otherwise, it will be automated by YouTube. So this is it for this part. Next part, you can add at the end of the screen, you can add a variety of things. For example, you can add subscribe, or you can add another lecture that is relevant. For example, for me, this is a lecture on banana. So I'm going to add this lecture on banana. So people, when they are done with my presentation, they can go to this lecture. Then I can save. Okay, this is called end screen. You can also add cards. Cards are helpful sometimes because you can add card here. You can add pool, for example. You can ask how do you like this course, for example? How is the course so far? Say you could say great, or you could say probably okay. So you can create this kind of thing, and you can place it here wherever you want. You see this? You can move it any part of your video. You can place it anywhere at the beginning or the end. Okay, so this pool will be shown toward the end of the video, and once you are done, you just close this window or go back to when you are finished, click return to YouTube Studio, which is here. Sometimes you just have to click on it. You don't save anything there. And the next, you will see the visibility. There's more than one option here. One is public. That means it's right away available on your YouTube channel for everyone to see. You can set as instant premiere. That means it will be released at certain time, but where everyone is watching, you are included, so people can chat with you right away. You can have you can have it private, where no one can see it except you. Usually what I do is upload the videos first private and check everything is okay, then publish it as public. You can also publish, if you have a lecture, I usually publish it as unlisted. That means only people with the link, with the video link, will be able to see it. So once you do it unlisted, go and copy the link, put it on your Moodle page, or send it through email to students so they can see it. Otherwise, no one can see it. It's not going to be shown in your YouTube profile or YouTube page unless people have the link. And so that is what you needed to do there. You can also schedule it to be released at a certain time. And this is usually for public. This is where it is. So you release this to the public. But you don't need to do that unless you are going public. If you are going to have it for only your students, for example, or only special people, then you go unlisted. Once you've done all of that, then you save it. That's basically it. You can later on, once you are done with that, you can go here, as I showed you in another screen or another video. What you do, you just copy this and insert it in your Moodle page. This is Moodle page, and basically I showed you another video what to do, so you can go and check out that video. I'll make a link to it. So that's basically it. Now your YouTube video is done, and you can see it here. So it is unlisted, you can see here. Some of these videos are public. Many of the lectures for me are unlisted, but as I showed you before, or just a minute ago, you can just click on the video, and then basically what you need to do once you have your video on, copy the link as I showed you in the other video. This is lecture 12. Go here, see where the code is, embed, and then do what is needed to be done. You can also, of course, share in a variety of ways, and also you can copy the link. That is how you upload your video and modify the video description, so you will be able to have it available to your students only. You can again have it as public or private. You can change all this information here. I am now in YouTube Studio, as you can see here. This is the difference between YouTube channel and YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio. And while we are here, you can change all this information. You can change here the visibility. You can have it private or public from this page. So if you are in the channel, you change your mind later, your videos are not public, they are private, you can always go to YouTube Studio here, go to that, to the videos, this is videos, you go to that video and change the listing to anything you want. If you want to change all the description, just click the details here. You can also see all the information and the comments about your video. For example, all the analysis is here. Any video you want, how many people have seen it, all the engagement. I just uploaded this, so there's no information on that one yet, but you can go and see all the videos here. Okay, so these are all the videos. If you open any one that has been viewed, for example, this one, so I can go here and see all the details about that video, how many people saw it, how the engagement, the audience, and all that details is available for you on YouTube analytics. So this is analytics for the whole channel. That one is for just for the video. This is for the whole channel. These are the playlists I created where I can, they function like folders where you can keep all relevant YouTube in one folder, and then you can also share that playlist. There is captions and subtitles, monetization in the future. If you want to make money, this is the way to go. YouTube also provides plenty of audio for you to use for free. You can browse through all this audio. You can search any kind of music you like. For example, New Age. I don't know if there's Arabic, but we can try and see. Oh, there you go. There's a few Arabic videos or music, as well as there is sound effect, any kind of effect, clapping or anything that you like to add to your video. And those can be either downloaded or inserted in YouTube video. So usually when you go here, once more, you go to the videos that you have here. When you click a video like this one, when you edit it, you can go here to the editor, and here you can trim your video. You can make it like you can trim it from here. You can blur certain areas of your video that you don't want people to see. You can change music from here. That's where you add the audio to your video. This editor is available when you click on the video itself. So when you click on a video like this one here, okay, then you can do all kinds of things with it. So basically that's all you needed to do, and to know how to upload and manage your videos on YouTube. Good luck to you, and goodbye.